Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the allergy tracker on the weather.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should go to your homepage. And below the search bar you can see these sections, and tap on the more forecasts button, and here you can find this allergy tracker option, so tap on it. And here you can see these options, so you can check out the pollen breakdown, tree pollen, grass pollen and ragweed pollen. Here you can see whether these are due or not in the tonight, tomorrow and Monday section. So here you can see, and you can check out these tips to help managing your allergies. So here you can find a few tips that you can use. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.